What if I told you there's a bird that can fly through dense forests at crazy speed without crashing? Meet the Eurasian sparrowhawk, a silent killer of the sky. This small hawk hunts like a ninja, flying low, fast, and striking before prey even notices. Its main target? Small birds like sparrows, caught mid-air in seconds. And here's the twist: females are much bigger than males. With speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, it weaves through trees like a fighter jet. Nature's stealth hunter. Would you survive its attack? Follow for more insane wildlife fact.